Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogtober 2024. It is fall time here at the Kinzer household and I am totally keeping it real in this video. We're going to do some cleaning. So I am using a new toilet bowl cleaner and I had to share this video content with you because I've never seen another product like this. It is called the Pink Stuff. And you put it in your toilet and it foams. And when I say that it activates and foams, it really, really foams. Now, I am going to tell you that I think that this product is a little expensive. However, it works really, really well. And I just thought I would share it with you guys because this is how I started my Saturday morning. Now, if you're wondering what that little thing is on the inside of my toilet bowl, that is a Scrubbing Bubbles scent gel. If you've never tried that, you need to. Really, really good stuff. It makes your bathroom smell really good. So here I am. I'm making the bed. And I think I mentioned this in a past video that I had painted my bedroom. And now I'm slowly but surely putting everything back into place. And so today we're going to tackle some clothes. And we are going to get some clothes hung up in my closet. I am so sick of living out of laundry baskets and trash bags. Trying to find my clothes and stumble about. And I feel like that I have given up, and so I just been washing clothes every day and pretty much wearing the same thing over and over and over again. No more of that. We are going to get things back in place. Probably the next video that you see, I will be doing this as well. Probably doing some cleaning and some going through some things and putting things away. I am using I guess they're like velvet covered slimline hangers. These things are a godsend when you are trying to make a lot of space and if your closet is super small. So I highly suggest that. Definitely get you some of these hangers for your closet. Your life will be changed. Stuff back into my closet. I think my husband might be coming home. Anyways, we got my skirts, my shirts. These are like jackets and like kimonos, and then my dresses are back there. So everything is hung back up. Well, if you can't guess by the video here, I am cooking some lunch/dinner. So I'm just making some very simple spaghetti, and it is just a pound of hamburger and a package of hot Italian sausage, which I am removing the casing from, and then I'm just going to brown it all together. And then I'm going to add in some spaghetti sauce, a couple jars of my beloved Aldi brand mushroom sauce, and I'm going to boil some spaghetti noodles, and we are going to have a delicious dinner. as I'm getting my spaghetti sauce done, I thought I would tell you that my ice maker broke in my freezer. I have like an inside of the freezer ice maker. And so I opted and I bought a ice maker, and it has been working fantastic. Once the ice is made, I just dump it into my regular ice container in my ice maker that is in my freezer, and I have ice. So here I am, I'm putting the pasta on. I'm just using regular spaghetti noodles. I don't really like thin spaghetti, and I don't like fettuccine kind of noodles. I like the thicker pasta. That is what I go for. And then we're just going to top it with some Parmesan and call it a day. You're also going to see the plate that I made my father-in-law. I'm going to wrap that up and take that over to him. So now it is time to finish up the dishes. I just had a couple soaking pans that I needed to get washed up. I'm just going to wash everything, put it in my strainer, and I will put it up later on in the day, which you'll see here in this video. I am a person without a dishwasher, and I am the dishwasher. So here I am washing dishes, and I don't like to do it, but somebody has to. So we're going to get the dishes washed. Now, first thing this morning, I cleaned my front porch really well, and I put out some of my new seasonal decor. There is my Hello Pumpkin doormat. I actually bought that from Michael's, and the wreath on the door I actually made last year, and my mother got me the sunflowers to put on it, which I absolutely love. You're probably wondering what that is, but I am sweeping up hair from where I cut my husband's hair this evening, and he does it shirtless, and he didn't want to be filmed, which I don't blame him. So you guys didn't get to see me doing that, but I cut my husband's hair. I do every month. He will not go to a barber. Him being blind, it's just easy for me to just shave his head, and I shave it like on a 3 or 2. It's not like shaved all the way down, but it is manageable and it doesn't have to be combed, and he likes it that way. So now I am folding laundry. Basically, this is the only load that I washed today, and it is everything that we used during the week when we go to the gym. So we go to the gym 3 days a week. It's bathing suits, it's yoga pants, it's towels, it's everything. And I have been using the Lysol laundry detergent added into my wash for these clothes, and it really does make them smell very fresh, and I feel like it is really getting in there and getting it good and clean. So I get that done, and here are my giant pile of dishes that need to be put away. It actually looks a lot more than it is. It's just bigger items. But I'm going to get the dishes put up, and then I'm going to get the coffee pot loaded, and I'm going to empty the last round of ice out of the ice maker, and I'm going to show you at the end of this video all the ice that I made today that's in my freezer. It has worked really well. The name brand of the ice maker, I think, is Orgo, and I ordered it from Walmart.com. So it does work really well. I figure I'll probably get a lot of use out of it, especially when I have lots of company, and it seems like you just go through a lot more ice during that time. So I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day or night whenever you watch this. I am going to get this finished and I'm going to go to bed. And tomorrow it's going to be another day of getting things done. I'm going to take you along with me every single day for Vlogtober. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.